Hello, hello, it is Philip James, and thank you for coming to my party. Aloha, thank you for coming to my party. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an out-of-this-world look that I created for Sasha Velour's Smoke and Mirrors show this past fall using the Alien palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I begin with the shade Phone Home, the dusty mauve in my crease, using a fluffy blending brush to blow out the shape of my eye. I was so sad to hear that the Alien palette was being discontinued because it's really become a palette that I reach for a lot, especially when I want to go out. Next, I want to deepen the crease and outer V of my lid with the vibrant purple shade Area 51. Using this shade Interstellar, I want to go ahead and really lighten up the inner portion of my deep set eyes for a brighter appearance from afar. Now I'm going to use the vibrant shade Abduction to blend out the original crease shade Phone Home. I want it more like an alien sunset kind of look. For the lid, I chose the pewter-like shade in the palette, Moon Rock. I also found that applying the shade with my finger gave it really a much better color and shimmer payoff in the end. I really wanted the outer V to be much darker, so I'm using the shade Black Hole on a pencil brush. Side note, this is probably the best black eyeshadow that I've ever used. Keeping my metal shades close to the silver family, I'm using a metallic silver eyeliner to give the lash line a bit more of a punch. And of course, blush and highlighting powder are definitely a must for any look. I believe I used the shade Sarcophagus from the 24 karat gold highlighting palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And without any doubt, the shade Pluto is the perfect shade in this palette for the duochrome inner corner highlight. Also, a little touch of mascara never hurt anyone, although I probably should have opted for false lashes as well. I'm just a bit lazy and still not all that great at it. Go ahead and lining my waterline with a little Fake Awake by Tarte Cosmetics. For the lip, I originally chose the Velour Liquid Lip Scandal, but as you'll see by the end of the video, I decided to switch to the slightly darker shade Jeffree Who. I love to top my lips with a little shimmer shadow, and for this one I decided to use the shade Oral from the Mini Breaker palette instead of using a shade from the Alien palette. Alright, here is the finished look. Thank you all so much for coming to my party today. If you made it this far, take a minute to like and comment on my video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Until the next time, I miss you already.